Do you know that people are making thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading videos on YouTube? And the best part, you can do it too. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to start earning money from YouTube step by step. First, you don't need fancy cameras or expensive equipment to begin. All you really need is a smartphone, internet, and a good idea for content. Start by choosing a niche. This could be tech, gaming, cooking, travel, education, or even vlogging. The main way to earn money is through the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you qualify, YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll start earning a share of the revenue. But ads are just the beginning. You can also earn through channel memberships, super chat during live streams, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even by selling your own merchandise. Of course, to make money, you need views. And to get views, you need great content. Upload consistently, optimize your videos with good titles and descriptions, and engage with your audience in the comments. And here's a bonus tip. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. The faster you start, the faster you'll learn, improve, and grow your channel. So if you want to turn YouTube into a source of income, start today. Pick your niche, post your first video, and stay consistent. Your channel could be the next big success story. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our latest tech and tutorial videos.